And viewers, cutting across to some breaking news coming in from Tirupati in the aftermath of the stampede tragedy there. Now the Tirupati Tirumala Devasthanam chairman has issued an apology over the stampede incident in which 6 devotees were killed and over 40 injured. That's the breaking news update that we are bringing you in connection with the Tirupati temple stampede. TDT chairman now issuing an apology. Remember viewers, an apology had come from the Tirupati temple even earlier, and this is now coming again after Deputy Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Pavan Kalyan, told Tirupati board to issue an apology over the deaths of 6 devotees at the temple. Listen in to that statement coming in.
ఈ భక్తులు ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళందరికీ కూడా బేషరత్తుగా మా బోర్డు తప్పిదం లేకపోయినా మేము భక్తులందరికీ బోర్డు తరపున క్షమాపణలు చెప్తున్నాం. ఈ భక్తులు ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళందరికీ కూడా బేషరత్తుగా మా బోర్డు తప్పిదం లేకపోయినా మేము భక్తులందరికీ బోర్డు తరపున క్షమాపణలు చెప్తున్నాం.
Aneri, my colleague, now joins us live to get us more details on this. Aneri, time and again we have seen that how people have been killed in stampede tragedies. Earlier it was during Allu Arjun's film premiere. Now it's in the Tirumala temple. We also saw how there was a stampede in UP's Hathras where several hundred people were killed. Clearly there are lapses in arrangements and no lessons are being learnt. In this case particularly, where have the lapses been found so far?
Well, what we are seeing is that the incident that had taken place in Tirupati where 6 people lost their life, and now what we are seeing is that the TTD chairman has unconditionally apologized to the devotees, and also he stated that though it's not the mistake of the board, we are apologizing to the devotees who had come there, because it was a very unfortunate incident that had taken place where a stampede took place as the people rushed into the gate to collect the tokens of Vaikunta Ekadashi Dwar Darshana, and that is the time when this incident had taken place, where we also see that how Chandrababu Naidu was seen lashing out and questioning the officials there over the do's and don'ts not being followed, and Pavan Kalyan also hitting out at the TTD board members, TTD officials, and he also was stating that the TTD board members or anyone as per to say, let it be the EO, additional EO or the chairman, has to apologize, and now we see that the TTD chairman B.R. Naidu has unconditionally apologized to the devotees who came there and unfortunately lost their life, and some got injured due to that incident.
Thanks, Aneri, for joining us.